Hello my dear students, welcome back to Ishta Tutorials. I hope that you all are doing well. As we all know that Maths Olympiad exam, that is IMO grade 7, will be conducting in the month of November 2024, and I think it's a right time to start your preparation. But before getting into the video, let's understand its exam pattern and syllabus. The whole paper are divided into 4 sections. Section 1, 2, 3 and 4. Section 1 is regarding verbal and non-verbal reasoning. Section 2 is your current syllabus, that is grade 7 syllabus. Section 3 is everyday mathematics, and section 4 is a high order thinking question, or you can say achiever section. In the last slide, as we see, the paper are divided into 4 sections. There are total 50 questions and total marks are 60. Logical reasoning is the first section containing number of questions 15 and of 15 marks. Mathematical reasoning, number of questions are 20 containing 20 marks. And everyday mathematics having 10 questions, 1 marks each, having total marks 10. Whereas in achiever section, the number of questions are 5 and each question contains 3 marks, and therefore total marks are 15. I want to emphasize that this course is about learning and growth, not just getting the right answers every time. You will face problems that seem impossible at first, but that's complete okay. The key is to excel in the Olympiad exam, to stay curious and keep trying different approaches and learn from every attempt. So dear students, see you in the next slide with your notebook and pen ready. So dear students, we are going to start with the section 2, that is mathematical reasoning, and our very first question is, if degree Celsius is equal to -35, then find degree F, means Fahrenheit, and we are going to use the relation degree Celsius is equal to F minus 32 into 5 by 9. Now pause the video and write down the given and what we need to find. I encourage you to find all the questions by yourself first, and then you can cross check with the solution given. Now in the solution we can see the transposing method has applied to find the value of degree F. After calculation, the B option is correct. Question 2. Which of the following number sentences best describe the problem shown on the number line? Now read the question carefully, observe the number line and these options given. Now in the A option, it starts with 3, but 0 jumps to -3, so we can eliminate option A. Now find your best suit method and find its answer. Let's check in the solution. A is not correct option, that I told you. As we can see in the number line, we want the final answer 3, but in the B and C we are not getting 3. So D option is the correct answer. Question 3. Successor of this expression must be predecessor of this expression. Here the option greater than, less than, equal to or can't be determined. So here you can divide this question into 2 parts, that is left hand side is equal to right hand side. Solve the left hand side first, find the number and find the successor of it, and same on the right hand side and find the predecessor of it. Let's check in the solution. Successor of this expression is -16. Successor will be plus, means you need to add +1, so we'll get the answer -50. Whereas predecessor of this expression is 72. Predecessor means you need to subtract 1, that is 71. On comparison, we have found that 71 is greater than -15, so option B will be the correct answer. Question number 4. Which of the following options show the integers arranged in descending order? Descending order means arranging the number from big to small. As we can see in the option A, -43 and -37. -37 is bigger than -43, so it's wrongly placed. Again, -43 and -12 is wrongly placed because -12 is greater than the -43. Let's check in the option C, 18, 6, 0 and minus 12 and minus 37 and minus 3. It's right. But let's check the D option as well. 18, 6, 0. Here also minus 37 is bigger than minus 43 and it is wrong here. So correct option will be C, as you can see in the solution given. Question number 5. The additive identity of this expression is dash. The options are A is equal to 0, B 37, C 1 and D minus 37. And the students, the biggest surprise is no need to solve this expression, because if you know what is additive identity. So additive identity is the value when added to a number results in the original number. So whatever the result of this expression, the additive identity is always 0. So the solution and the answer is A, that is 0. Question number 6. If A and B are integers and A is not equal to B, means when you are going to assume A and B, it should not be same, then which of the following is incorrect? You need to find which of the following option is incorrect. So I must say, when these questions come, let's assume the expression or the integers with the only a one digit number. Let's say A is equal to 2 and B is equal to minus 3. Let's apply all these two values in all the options. A option, we on solving I got correct, but I need to find the incorrect. B, on solving I got incorrect, might be it will be the answer. C, 2 plus 0, 0 plus 2 again correct. And D, that is 2 is not equal to minus 2, 2, that is also correct. So from all the options I got B is the correct option. So students, how are you feeling after your first class? Target to solve minimum 10 questions every day. In video, we have solved only a 6 question because it was your first day. And write in the comment section box that how you like the class. And please share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such easy solutions. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.